Have a look at this situation. The road's narrowing and two cars are having a bit of a battle to see who can get there first. In this scenario, just rise above it. Just hold back, let the other idiot in. You're both going to get there at virtually the same time anyway.